Alright, first vlog of the year. We're gonna need this, the keys. We're also gonna need all the camera stuff, and we're gonna need to go outside. And I have a bunch of stuff to show you guys that it's up there somewhere, but you guys gonna understand why I need to show you that. What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog again. Matt here as always. Thank you so much for watching the first vlog of 2020. So if you guys didn't watch last video where I did a review of 2019, I really encourage you to watch. A lot of information on the truck, a lot of things we accomplished in 2019, and I'm willing to work hard to make 2020 even better. And I'm happy to take you guys with me. And today is the first one of those days. We're gonna do like garage plans for 2020. Today's the first day of the year, so happy new year. I hope you guys enjoy you know, the holidays. I hope you guys are ready for the challenge and the goals and the good things that 2020 has started for us. But without further ado, we're gonna do a garage tour, and we're gonna start with the truck. Why not a first cold start of the year? A couple of people ask me how is the driving in the cab, so I would do like how is the noise in the cab, because if you guys just heard my exhaust, nothing special. I just deleted the resonator, but it sounds decent for me. And you know, we're gonna talk about it. That's one of the reasons why I don't want to do anything crazy with this truck, because it's kind of my daily driver. I would drive this thing every day, anywhere, in winter, summer, doesn't matter. I hope you guys can see it. My GoPro is not the same quality of my camera, which is right there. I'm just trying this new position because so many people ask me how is the noise of the exhaust in the cab when you're driving, and I just gonna give you guys the experience of it and how it works. And I'm saying, well, again, my truck, as I mentioned, it's my daily driver. The thing here is not supposed to be loud, but it's not supposed to be quiet as well. Here we go. A little acceleration for you boys. There we go. See, it's not that loud, but it's not quiet, so it's good to me though. And believe it or not, it's snowing. Oh boy, I was planning to take the Corvette out, but I don't think it will be possible. But anyway, there are 5 things that I want to do with this truck, and I hope I could show you guys a little bit how is the driving experience on this thing here, so you guys can have a feeling. That's acceleration, how it sounds inside of the cab. I'm 45 miles per hour now. Yeah, it sounds decent. Again, the main goal of this truck is not to be a race truck or a performance truck. It's to be reliable and looking nice and comfortable to drive. As you guys can see, no shaking, nothing. And that was my main goal in 2019. Looking at 2020, I have basically 5 things that I would like to do. The 3 first, of course, are my go-to, and the last 2 is all depends how that works. If your budget it's gonna allow me to. So the first thing, of course, is gonna be a tuning. I need to get a tuning for this truck as soon as I can. I don't think it's because of the power, but just the way the truck drives is gonna help a lot. So the tune is gonna be the first one. I have one in mind already. The second one, I really want to regear my truck. I think when you go with bigger wheels and tires, it's kind of something that you kind of have to, you know what I'm saying, try to do and make this truck better overall. And the third thing would be, as you guys know, I have a rough country lift kit on this thing. I think it's the best thing for the money you pay. You get a lot of things. You get all the things you need to get your truck lifted. But if you can get better, why not? And that would be my third thing, would be upgrade the shocks for the Fox shocks. Again, depends on the budget, depending how that goes, depending how that looks like. I mean, because now I have the Corvette and I want to spend a little bit more on the Corvette, and you guys are gonna understand why soon. Those three things are the main things I want to get done with the truck. On the outside, my truck looks pretty good. I have the rock lights that we're gonna install. We're definitely gonna install the rock lights, and I think outside's it's decent, I would say. But if I have money, and money is not an issue for 2020, and keep my fingers crossed that's gonna be the case, I want to do two more things. Maybe get new wheels. I just want to change a little bit, make different. I don't know, I'm not chrome guy. Definitely would not be chrome unless I get some partnership with somebody that wanted me to test the wheels. I'll definitely do it. But if I gotta choose, I'll just grab something different for now. And the last thing would be wrap the truck. I want to do something different, crazy, but I would love to do by myself. Again, the material itself is not cheap at all, and you cannot mess up with the material. And that would be basically my plans for the 2020. This truck fits my needs so well that I don't need to go crazy. I don't want to go crazy. I want to keep the truck reliable, looking good. I can take it to shows. I can do different stuff, and that's my main goal. And again, that's basically, I'm looking at my life as it is now, but that life change, you know what I'm saying? Things happen, plans change, but this is my initial plans for the truck in 2020. All right, dude, can you believe it's snowing? I know, it's unbelievable. It's not as bad, but it's snowing. We got the Vette, but before, I want to show you guys one thing. It's not one thing, it's a bunch of stuff. So if you guys don't know, here's my basement. You guys probably saw it. And here are all the things I have stored for the car and the truck. And I just want to share with you. First thing we have, this is the lens, the new lens for the Corvette. So you guys can see, super clear. So I'm gonna change the lens, and on the inside I'm gonna paint in black. So we got the lenses already. They are here, good to go. Of course, we got the rock lights for the truck, and we also got the side mirrors for the Vette with the LED stripe on it. You guys saw that before. So I got a couple of stuff that I need to get installed, and I also have the vinyl that we're gonna wrap the roof. Actually, this is the old vinyl. I'm still waiting for the new one to get in here. We're gonna wrap the roof, but let's talk about the Corvette and the things I want to do with. I really want to take the Corvette out though. Should I? But a little bit of the plans for the Corvette. This car is so much fun, and this car is where I want to change a lot for 2020. Again, I'm not a Corvette expert. I don't like to keep my car stock in any shape or form. Of course, it has been stock because the way, you know, it's money. It's always the challenge, and I gotta be, you know what to do. But my plans for the new Corvette, I'm going to be at Corvette at Carlisle again this year in August, and my goal is to have at least a little different for the Corvettes at Carlisle. And a different I mean, my plans for this car are, first, and I want to try to get this before the spring, it's headers and XPIPE. I have the axle back for on Borla. I'll keep those for now until I can afford maybe a Corsa or something else, or if I can find a good deal, I'll do everything. But for now, I want to do the headers and XPIPE and see how this thing goes, and also the cold air intake. Those are my three things that I want to do before the spring. I'm already shopping for headers and XPIPE, and those things are coming really soon. I really want to do a cam, but I'll wait. The cam is not on the plans right now. because I want to spend money with other things so I can get the car ready for Corvettes at Carlisle. And when we go to outside, to the exterior of this car, the wide body. I have been talking about the wide body for a while. You guys probably are tired of hearing it, but I don't want to do like the regular Z06 wide body. I will do the extremely wide body. I'm talking with some companies, and dude, it's gonna be insane. And of course, when you do the wide body, as you guys probably know, you gotta get bigger wheels and tires. If you don't get bigger wheels and tires, it's not gonna look good. And that's my goal. With the wide body, it's like the quarter panels, the front bumper, then maybe a new hood, who knows, and a wing for the back. I don't want like a regular wing. You guys gotta wait, but those are the plan. And new seats. I have been talking about new seats for a long time, and you probably now are asking yourself, so you're gonna do everything by yourself? Everything I can do, I'll do by myself. Things that I cannot do, I'll definitely pay somebody. I want to make this car look great, and you guys will see. You better stick around, because when I'm done, this is not gonna look like a C6 basic Corvette. All right, boys, we got back home. I can't wait to be nice outside so I can drive this thing more and more. And I cannot wait to be warm enough so we can put the rock lights on it. Can you imagine this thing with the rock lights? It's gonna be nuts. That's it for today's upload. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys had a little taste what I'm gonna do with the cars for the next season. It's gonna be nuts. It's gonna be challenge. A lot of challenge though, but we gotta face it. We gotta go after and try to, you know, make that happen. And that's my goal, make this thing happen. And I hope you guys stick around and give me that support, just watching and have fun. As always, thank you so much for watching. Let's make your plans for 2019. Sit down, write down all those things I told you guys. I have everything in a paper, in a piece of paper in front of me, so I can kind of look at it and say, that's what I'm gonna get. Give me that thumbs up. Leave your comments below. If you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. I hope to see you guys next upload. And as always, never forget, enjoy your life.